Good morning, children. Today the lesson, the model millenary. The model millenary. First, model means for example how you have to be. That is a model. So, what is the meaning of millenary? You should know that one. What is the meaning of millenary? Millenary means a person whose assets are worth 1 million pounds or dollars or more. That means the who are having more property. You are used to say they are lack here, like that you are used to tell. No, the same way the millenary means a person whose assets are worth 1 million pounds or dollars or more. Here the model millenary. Okay, the model millenary. Read the lesson and understand the story. The lover, Hughie Ruskin. So just see the spelling, Hughie, Hughie, Erskin, right? Here the H is silent. Hughie. Here ER is silent. Skin. Hughie Skin, right? Okay, Hughie Ruskin, you can say. Was very good looking young man. Hughie Ruskin was a very good looking young man. He was liked and admired by both men and women. He never said an unkind word about anyone, but he was not very clever and never had any money. He was always changing his job and had tired everything. At one time he had worked on the stock exchange, which had lasted for 6 months. You know what is the meaning of stock exchange? Yes or no? How many of them know, and who don't know? But then what's the meaning of stock exchange? The money, the other country money for taking for the stock exchange, they used to tell, which had lasted for 6 months. Only 6 months he worked there. He had been a tea merchant for a little longer than that, but soon got tired of selling tea. So he is changing his job always. Once he was a tea merchant, is only for 6 months he did, but soon got tired of selling tea. Then he tried selling a sherry instead, but again he failed. At last he gave up trying to work and lived on 200 pounds a year, given to him by an old aunt. Now we are using the money called rupees. There in England it's called pounds. Yes, sherry means what? A kind of wine. Cherry fruit you are telling, SHERY. Sherry means a kind of wine. In grapes they are taking wine, right? The same thing, the sherry also taking wine. We can go for the next paragraph. Now he was in love with a girl called Laura Merton, who was the daughter of a retired colonel. Laura loved him very much, and together they made a handsome couple. Of course, neither of them had any money. The colonel, although he liked Hughie, would not allow them to get married. Hughie, I told, right? So, okay, come to me, my boy, when you have got 10,000 pounds of your own, and we will see about it. He would say. Poor Hughie. He was very miserable. He was very miserable. What's the meaning of miserable? Miserable means unhappy or uncomfortable. Okay. So he loved the girl, name is Laura Martin, but his father is telling, if you have 10,000 pounds in your hand, you come, we can see. So the painter, one morning on his way to see Laura, Hughie called into a see a friend of his who lived quite near. His friend's name was Alan Tower. The Tower was a painter. He was a strange man with a red beard. However, he was very clever artist, and many people bought his paintings. So here we are seeing the three characters. One is Hughie Ruskin. Next one is the painter name is, the girlfriend name is Lara. The painter name is Alan Tower. Okay, now we will see that the story is about Hughie Ruskin, a good looking young man whose gesture of kindness paid him a big dividend. Hughie was a charming, good looking young man who was liked by everyone for his good nature, but he did not have the cleverness of earning money. He did not stick to any job and lived on 200 pounds a year, given to him by an old aunt. He is living with his aunt. He gave that money to his aunt. He loved a girl, Laura Merton, the daughter of a retired colonel, the hag told him that he had to earn 10,000 pounds to think of marrying Laura. Okay. Once we can go for the next one. When Hughie came in, he found Trevor finishing the full size of picture of a beggarman. I told you here that he is a artist, he is a painter. Who is the painter here? The Trevor, Alan Trevor. His painting is a full-size picture of a beggarman. The beggar himself was standing on a raised platform in a corner of the room. He was an old man, bent and wrinkled. What is the meaning of wrinkled? Any one of you? Wrinkled. Wrinkled means what? A small line on the skin of a person's face or hands. You know the old people. In your house we are having grandpa, grandma and all, right? So they are having the wrinkled skin. Small line on the skin of a person's face or hands. Okay. Now here he was an old man, the old man bent and wrinkled with a piteous look for his face. Over his shoulder he had a ragged brown coat, all torn and dirty. His thick boots were patched and well worn, and with one hand he leaned on a rough stick. In the other hand he held out a hat for money. Just imagine yourself, he is a ragged coat, is torn, and is having a cap in his one hand, in other hand is lean on a stick. What a wonderful model, whispered Yugi, as he shook hands with his friends. Who did this one? Is the painter friend?